What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Magic Drip, back here with another banger. So today I'm gonna be doing a challenge, and this challenge is gonna be the spicy noodles challenge. I haven't had noodles in so long. Hopefully it's not as spicy as I think it is, or like how everyone else claims it to be. And I hope my taste buds don't burn off at all. So yeah, I'm gonna get the hot sauce packets. I can't even speak right now. And let's see. Alright, that's the first packet, and this is the chili packet right here. Chili flavored sauce. Alright. This already has like a lot of red pepper flakes inside. Oh yeah, wow, that's a thick sauce. Okay, I squeezed everything out. Alright, let me just try to get a thumbnail really quick and see if I might actually use it. Alright, so finished mixing it up and it's time to eat it. Hopefully it's not too bad. It doesn't smell that great.
Arcade.
It's like once you eat, it has like a delayed reaction when it comes to like the spice. It doesn't kick in till like 3 or 4 seconds after. Oh, okay. It's starting to come in. Whew. Wow, okay. Oh yeah, the pepper's coming in hot. Hold on. I need to grab a water bottle. Alright, just grab my water bottle, and it's time to keep eating. Yeah, this doesn't taste great at all. If you guys want to eat these noodles, I advise you not to, honestly. Like, this tastes terrible. Oh shoot. I got it in my throat. You can really feel that spice, holy crap. I'm more than halfway through right now. Holy crap. I just want this to be over. I'm starting to sweat. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm never doing this again, honestly. Oh. Alright, just finished it. Yeah, that's terrible. I'm never doing that again. Like, that was terrible. Like, that's probably like top 10 worst foods. Like, that really smelled terrible, tasted terrible, was spicy, extremely hot. I can't feel my taste buds right now. Sweating a bit, like, this is crazy. Yeah, I'm never doing this again. On a scale of 1 through 10, it's a 0. Like, it's that bad. I would never eat these again. Alright, that wraps up the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you liked it, and let's keep going strong. Road to 1,000 subscribers, so come on, let's keep getting there.